the institutional participation has turned from bearish to bullish. So FIs have actually cut their shorts in index futures and have turned net positive. Secondly, broader market has not been giving up in any way, in spite of the Nifty correcting some 750 odd points from the top. What's noteworthy is the new leadership that is emerging, especially from IT index has been doing well in the last one odd month. Like, we've initiated IT baskets which are up like 7% as of today in less than a month. Then you have leadership coming in from metals which are at life high. Then you have the chemicals which are coming out of almost 12 months of correction consolidation. IT remains our preferred pick. In fact, we had clearly categorically mentioned that, book banks, and this was like, when August had begun, September, the previous month had closed. So we had suggested to book profits in banks and move to IT. The IT continues to remain juicy. We feel that there is more upside to be had in this space. Then you have PSE space, which is public sector enterprises. We feel two stocks from there which can do very well. One is Gas Authority of India, which I just spoke. Then another one is ONGC, which can give like a 20-25% return from these levels. That also looks good for 225, maybe even 250 on the upside. So ONGC is another one that looks good. Then you have metals, which have been doing well, which have held on to their ground in spite of the volatility, in spite of what has happened in China, in spite of all the updates. It has slowly chugged along to a new life high today. So I think this space should continue to do well. From that space, we've been bullish on Tata Steel and Hindalco, although the risk reward isn't exactly favorable for fresh longs over here. But if there are dips, if there are corrections, look to buy onto them. And lastly, the fourth sector which looks good to me is the chemical space. So chemicals have come out of 12 months of correction. Some of them were in extreme pain, especially the specialty chemicals. And now I think, especially given the healthy rollovers that this space has witnessed and the kind of turnaround, kind of a relief rally that we are expecting in this space, could easily mean that around 15 to 20% upside for this basket.